Hi everyone, welcome to OnceHub tutorials. My name is Rohit and I'm part of OnceHub support team. Today in this video, we're going to learn about how we can delete a trial account or an account on our basic plan. But before we begin with the deletion, please note that this process is permanent. So if you have any information that's important to you, then we'll recommend you to back it up before we proceed with the deletion. Let's dive in. Once you log into your OneSub account, you'll land on the home page. To proceed with the deletion, you'll need to click on the gear icon in the top right corner, select Account Permissions, click on the Delete Account option. This will ask you for a confirmation. You'll need to check this box to confirm deletion. If you would like to share any feedback, then you can leave it here and then click on Delete Account. Alternatively, you can click on the gear icon and then access billing section. Once you're in the billing section, you can click on this three dots icon and then select delete account. It will take you to the same page that we viewed previously. Again, you can check the box to confirm deletion, leave your feedback, if any, and then click on delete account. And now your account will be deleted. But if you are having any issues while deleting your account, please feel free to reach out to us at support@oncehub.com and we would be happy to help you. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.